wallet is just like a bank account which is used to store, receive and send your digital currency to another wallet or use it for the shopping purpose. Whether you want to trade in cryptocurrency or want to have them as your asset, you must need to have a wallet account.
Different type of crypto wallet. Any type of wallet is simply combination of your private key and public address. Based on how you where you store them, you can categorize your wallet in the following segments.
The first one is the hardware wallet. Hardware wallet, as the name suggested, are hardware device built on especially for handling private key and public address. It is USB-like device with an OLED screen and side button to navigate through the interface of the wallet, and become it is native desktop app for different cryptocurrencies. It is a batteryless device which you can connect to your PC and your mobile device via USB, even on the interface device. Paper wallets. Paper wallet are not for the everyone because they are tab bit technical and requirements are high level of the caution from the user. It is so because in technical paper wallet you just print your private key and your public address on the piece of the paper and start transferring your Bitcoin, Ethereum or altcoin on it. Third one is the desktop wallet. Desktop wallet for the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrencies are installable software packages that are available for most of desktop operating systems such as Mac, Windows, Linux. But as it is your desktop or laptop that often connected to the internet, you need to follow the basic security such as antivirus, anti-malware software, and a strong firewall. Currently, there are many desktop wallets are available for the Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other popular cryptocurrencies that one should use instead of keeping their cryptocurrency on exchange. Desktop wallets are the third most secure way to store your cryptocurrencies. Mobile wallets. Mobile wallet for the Bitcoin and altcoin, Ethereum are the most used wallet right now on the market, and it is used because they are mobile based and also easy to use. Wave wallets. Wave wallet are the hot wallet that are always connected to the internet and can be accessed via the different internet browsers such as Google, Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer, etc. Web wallet are something hosted wallet and sometimes non-hosted too, depending on what type of wallet are you are using. However, we always recommend you to use non-hosted wallets so that you can control your funds always. Some non-hosted wallets I'm going to discuss with you. My Ether wallet. So I'll be explaining it in depth in the next videos, and MetaMask that we are going to use.
सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाएं मेरी वीडियो को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।